ng CFU ay buhay pa and they come crashing in the middle lane. Naaamoy na nila Selangor Red Giants. Can they defend? CFU Gaming Z goes in. Double dash. Nakliver pa naman. Inasin yung mga minion waves. Sa Kais, hindi siya makaharap na isang dash. Oh, outfield na yung Spirit Destruction. Innocent. Taking down the glue. Flicker mula kay Stormy. Heal mula kay OP. Pero tatlong members kakadyo tutumba mula para kay Innocent. And SRG Maniac! Para sa Moscow. Shing goes to 1v3. Can he actually do it? Hindi. Tutumba rin. Si 1-1 and CFU, they lose 5 members. SRG! They defended 20 seconds before anybody spawns on this side and naaamoy din ni Innocent. Yung comeback nyo, hindi nangyayari. And Malaysia for SRG goes to the knockout stage.
2 Malaysian squads are now in the knockouts. A beautiful outplay mula kay SRG. Innocent. Oh my G! Hindi sila makapaniwala. Napakaganda ng performance na pinakita nila doon. Out of nowhere, yung klaseng Spear of Destruction na hindi mo inaasahan.